Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. I'm an esthetician, cosmetic chemist. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today let's talk about the particular skincare condition that is actually quite common. It's called Milia. So if you have this, then you most likely have what we call Milia. What is Milia? Milia is what happens when keratin is trapped underneath your skin. So when you have these tiny white bumps that look like pimples around your eye area on your cheeks, then you most likely have Milia. What's keratin? Keratin is like a fibrous protein that is found in the skin, your hair, and nails. Milia can happen when you slug or when you use a lot of thick moisturizers. Sometimes steroid creams can make Milia worse, and sometimes sun damage can make Milia worse. How do I get rid of Milia? You can get rid of Milia by using products that contain retinoids. So yes, topical retinoids are really good for Milia. And then people are like, oh, but they said retinol is not good for your under eye. Well, there's some eye creams with retinol in them that would help your Milia. You can also use some retinol serums that will help your Milia. You can use the sandwich method, or you use it less and frequently during the week. I'm going to put some product recommendations down in my comment box about certain high creams with retinol and some retinol products that you can use if you already have a retinol product and you don't want to have to buy another high cream with retinol. Chemical peels help Milia, yes. Then extractions are really effective. Some doctors use cryotherapy. Laser is also helpful when it comes to Milia. Leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know how you'll be able to get rid of it or how you'll be able to manage it, and I'll be happy to respond. If you have any questions, leave me comments in the comment box and I would respond. If you liked watching this video, you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Very important, please. Like my videos, watch the rest of my videos, and tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. If you have any topics that you want me to talk about next, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am iSaveSkins on every platform: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Follow me for more skincare content. I post a lot of daily skincare humor, skincare tips that I don't get to post daily on my YouTube. I also post it on my YouTube shorts, so make sure you follow me on my social media. I also post about my daily vlogs, beauty tips, beauty content, hair content, and lifestyle content. Thank you again for watching my video. Have a great day, have a great evening.